In this video I am going to show you how to install add-ons on Kodi. For this you need to follow these steps. Here you can see that I am in the official website of Kodi. Kodi can do so much more than what comes in the box. We have a huge catalog of extra add-on components for you to take advantage of. All add-ons can be installed via the application itself, and they will automatically update as new versions are released. It is a kind of like an app store for Kodi, but everything is free. Music add-ons and video add-ons let you stream internet content. Skins allow you to change the look and experience of the interface. Program add-ons and service add-ons provide helpful tools, while web interfaces are for controlling Kodi remotely. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. Find your version of Kodi and browse all the categories to see what is available and install them via Kodi. Add-ons for your version of Kodi. The add-ons available may be different depending on what version of Kodi you have. Please select your Kodi version below to get the add-ons available for your version. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my videos easily. Thanks for watching.